Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the part 2 of my eyebrow video. So I just came back. I already went out for with this natural eyebrows that I use my eyebrow pencil. If you guys wanted to see how I did the eyebrows that I have right now using a pencil, then the link will be down below. Okay, so this video is basically how to use a brow pomade. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna use Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pomade in the color 380 deep brown. So you can't see it, of course. Please excuse my tattered pajama t-shirt. So when you buy this thing, it already comes with this brush. It comes with an angled brush and a spoolie, which you would need obviously. So it's okay if we already have the natural brows, because we're aiming for a little bit more oomph with your eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go over it with the brow pomade. So the brow pomade looks like that. We're gonna put a little bit, guys. Again, even with the same with the eyebrow pencil, just be careful. I'm taking a lot of product, so I just did a couple of swipes. And then what we're gonna do, hope you can see it, is we're basically I'm gonna use it like this, the brush, can you guys see? And I'm gonna really shape it and outline the outer tail. Okay, so once as you can see, it's already a lot darker. So once I outline the tail, whatever left in the brush, I'm gonna outline also the lower half, I mean the bottom of the eyelash, the bottom of the eyebrows. And again, I'm using really light hand. See, you can already see, and then I do the rest of the inside. So you already can tell the difference, that this is more defined. Whatever's left, I kind of already started on the outer. Whatever's left in the brush, I'm gonna do the same as a pencil. I'm just gonna start here. I'm gonna leave this part alone, and then I'm gonna outline the rest. See, it's already more defined on this one. And then you're not gonna add any more product, you guys. This whatever's left in your brush, we're just gonna slowly, lightly fill your eyebrows in. And again, start from the outside first, and then whatever's left on your brush is when you go to this inner corner and just brush it upwards first, but just inside your brows, and then just blend it all together. And then you're gonna use your spoolie and then blend it all again, pretty much the same as what you did with your eyebrow pencil. So as you guys, I don't know if you can notice, this is already a lot darker than my left eyebrows, and then I'm kind of missing a little bit on the top. So this is where you kind of build. I'm just gonna do one more. I dipped one more, and very lightly I'm gonna outline this part, as you see, and then I'm gonna go a little bit here, and then very lightly again I'm gonna fill the rest. This is if you want it to be a lot more darker. So again, it's completely up to you. You play with your brows, see what looks good, see what you like, and then go from there. So this is gonna give me a lot more defined and strong brows. So, and then I just keep kind of going till I reach my desired brows. So that's basically it. So you guys can see how much more darker this is and more defined. I can actually go in a lot more and darken it a lot more, but that's just not what I like. Usually I'm fine with the natural brows. This is actually a lot darker than what I'm used to now, but again, it's completely up to you. So that's basically it. I'm not gonna do the left one so you guys can tell the difference still. So the only thing different with this is with the eyebrow pencil, we use an eyebrow setting gel or the clear mascara that I talked about on the video. But with this one, because it's already a pomade, it's already gonna keep your hairs where it is, so you don't really have to do much. Another thing, you can also apply the same kind of process if you're using an eyeshadow. Pretty much the entire eyebrow thing is always the same process. There's very minimal difference with this one, because even with the pomade, when I go in with like little strokes, just so you don't get a lot of product all at one area. So yeah, so hopefully Shanae, you got that from the 2 videos on how I do my eyebrows. And for everybody else, again, I'm saying that I'm not an eyebrow expert. I'm just really passionate about my brows, and this is what looks good on me personally, what I think, and what I kind of like, what I kind of like them to look like. So again, everything is for preference, but these are the products that I actually like. Oh, another pomade that I actually really love is the Anastasia pomade, but I mean, this one works as well. It's gonna last you all day. It's not gonna go anywhere. I have actually gone swimming with Anastasia dip brow, and it didn't go away, so that's a really good plus. So yeah, so thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.